Hello again everyone and welcome back. So what we're going to do in this go around is we're going to use Google AI Studio to build a fear mongering detection application using the FalconsAI Fear Mongering Detection model located on Hugging Face, and it is available for free. There's the landing page for the model on Hugging Face. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into Google AI Studio, and I've kind of put together a pre-built prompt, and I'll kind of walk us through it right quick before we go ahead and execute it. So what the prompt basically does is it says build a Streamlit application that leverages, and I pasted in the actual URL of the model on Hugging Face to detect the fear mongering in YouTube videos. When a user pastes in the URL of the video, it grabs the transcript, analyzes the transcript, and then runs them through the model. And so what that's going to do is give you kind of an analysis of line by line what the fear mongering is in the actual YouTube video. So let's go ahead and click run. Well, you see I have some misspellings here, but the model should catch it. So I'll click run. And Google AI Studio is doing its thing. It's generating the Streamlit code. And then so what we're going to do is wait for that to finish. Once that finishes, we'll go ahead and copy the code. Let's scroll up a little bit here so we can get to the code. That's the installs. So we'll go ahead and copy the code, paste it into our text file that we previously created. Save that, and then let's kind of open up a terminal. And we'll go ahead and clear the terminal. We'll activate our content environment, and then we will run the Streamlit app. That's going to launch the browser, and we will try to find a video to use to test out the code once the page loads. So what it's doing, it loaded the model, and here we go. So let's just paste in this video. Let's see. We'll use...
But now that I've pointed that out, ladies and gentlemen, we see the fruits of the New World Order. We see the fruit.
Okay, we'll go ahead and use this Alex Jones video just as a test right now, and we'll paste that into the input field. Hit enter. The video is rendered, and okay, so we see it did get the analysis, but we're having an issue with the title. The sorting works, it's fine. Scroll down and see some things. Okay, non-fear mongering, non-fear mongering, fear mongering. Okay, but let's go ahead and try to fix this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and say refactor the following code to resolve the error. And we'll go ahead and just put some parentheses here. And what I want to do is paste in the error that we're receiving within the parentheses. So go back to our page, copy this error, have that, and we'll go back and we'll paste it in and let AI Studio go ahead and we'll paste the code here too, just to make sure, because the code works, so we want to keep it as is. We just need to try to resolve this error. So we'll copy that, paste that in the input, and let Google AI Studio go ahead and try to resolve this issue for us, right? So it's finishing up. We'll go ahead and copy the code, highlight that, cut, paste, save it, and rerun it. All right, so it did solve the issue. But what I want to do now is, so I have made some updates, and I want to go ahead and show you how you can kind of blow this out to make it a little bit better. So if you notice, I added like the fear mongering actual calculation. I added, the ability to sort. I added some pagination on the table. All of the fear mongering rows have kind of like a reddish hue to them. So that's just one of the things, and feel free, there's also a download function that you can actually download the CSV. There you have it. There are so many ways that you can kind of, expand on this and make this even better, make it even more robust. Thank you for your time. This is FalconsAI 125.